Hi, I'm RISA, and I'm the founder of a toy company, RISA Time Slime. And my first product line is actually slime. So in my YouTube channel, RISA Time Slime, I'm going to be covering some of my vlogs, my daily visiting stores, doing different types of activities, even going over some videos of my life. And I'm going to tell you the whole story about how I started a toy company. But let's get into this vlog. Okay, so I'm in Kohl's right now, filming a vlog, and I really like Kohl's because they have so much variety of things, and it's so neat and bright inside. So, I don't know, I started out in the dog section. Oh, Santa's little helper. Oh my goodness, look. Your dogs. Snoopy. Oh, they also have dog beds. Let's see, I think I want to look at the house things. Let's just walk around and see what else we find. Oh, throw pillows. Oh, so soft. Oh, I like these cream golds. Softness. Oh, wait, this one's super soft. Oh my gosh, this one's so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's a good pillow. What else should we look at? Okay, keep looking at the house things because I feel like I should look at house things more often. Ooh, you know curtains are so expensive, and rugs, surprisingly so. Oh, I have an idea to change it up a little bit. But, oh, blankets. Oh, soft. You can never have too many soft blankets. Oh, they all feel so good. Okay, let's keep going. Oh my gosh, unicorn. Oh, okay. I love at Kohl's they have the shoes in such neat orders. Oh, this one's yeah, I just love the organization of Kohl's. These are the shoes I would wear. Actually, they're unrealistic because you could get wet in the snow. And then, okay, they have so many good brands. They have like Nikes and high heels. And what would I get? Oh, more shoes. But I would get high boots. These are cheap. Ooh, Converse, but boot style. Converse. Kohl's always has a lot of Converse. Ooh, Adidas. Oh, I love Vans. I would pick Vans over Converse. More of like the skater vibes. Nike. Nike's like my favorite. Oh, sorry. To exercise. So what do I like in men's fashion? Little Christmas sweaters. Why is men's fashion so like blah? The colors are so neutral. Oh my gosh. Like hipster, like classy. Like Columbia coats. Freaking Columbia coats. Actually, I kind of like men's fashion, like Ralph Lauren, and kind of dignified, like preppy. Like I dress preppy, so I like, but not preppy in like a weird way, like cool preppy for guys, but also like Nikes and athletic wear. Why did all the male models, mannequins always look so buff? That's not real. Oh, like Nike. Oh my gosh. I wear hoodies like this. Joggers. A lot of neutrals. I actually do like the greens and the tans, but it has to be with the right style. This is what I'm talking about. Preppy. Preppy. Like that. That's what I like. Preppy. I mean, not preppy in a weird way. Yes. Like country club golfer kind of style. Yeah, I'm changing it up for the vlog to make it a little different this time. Like that dude. Preppy. Yes. Man, if I was a man, I'd be so short. I'm glad I'm a girl. Let's see. Different style. Let's see what I could get. Pajama bottoms. Oh my gosh, I'm really into snuggly stuff. But not like this. This is too big. Oh, this one's so cute. But I feel like this should go in the little girl section. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. So fluffy. So cute stuff. Oh, I like that. What? They have one like this at Target. Oh, do you like my hoodie? I mean, not my hoodie, my cardigan. I got it at Target. And it's still available at Target for you to get. Ooh. The clearance aisle. Ooh, all the cardigans. But they need to clean it up. They're not folded. Ooh, jeans. I like this. I would still wear it. This is cute. Like preppy schoolgirl vibes. Like boarding academy vibes. But this is the style a lot of girls go for. It's nice that I'm a young adult and I can still dress like really young and also kind of more mature style too. Just saying. Ooh, cardigans like that. So I can do all kinds of styles at my age. Ooh, like this. Oh, shh. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this one's really cute too. Ooh. This is kind of my style. This is my style. This is my style. Like country, like simple. The fabric. Yes. Oh, this one looks good. Oh my gosh, I would look good in this. Oh my goodness. All the dresses. Actually, dresses are out of season because it's cold now. That's good. Athletic wear. Athletic shorts. I need to get more of these.
$1 million in prizes? Yeah, we make the nice ones too. Kohl's Holiday Quest is here.
They have a really nice athletic section in Kohl's. Oh, they're so good. It's so hard to find leggings that you like, and they're all made in like high-rise or low-rise leggings. You'd think it'd be easy to find leggings.
Oh, what fun it is to find new ways to win every day. No purchase necessary. See official rules or see a sales associate.
Yeah, so at my age, I can shop in the junior section, the women's, and the petites. Columbia.
Descubre premios todos los días y participa por la oportunidad de ganar el premio mayor de $100,000 desde hoy hasta el 25 de diciembre. Busca nuestros avisos por toda la tienda y escanearlos para participar. Además, puedes escanear el código de barras en tu recibo de compras para tener más oportunidades de ganar.
Okay, and then the little boy section. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Wait, little. Little kids' clothes are so nice. Okay. Oh, let's go really little. Let's go toddler. Oh, this one's cute. I kind of like gender neutral. So cute, so warm and fluffy.
Sí, ahorra ya un 40% cuando pagas con tu nueva tarjeta de Kohl.
Oh, okay, again, I said get used clothing if you can because kids grow out of their clothes so quickly. Oh, this one's cute. These are cute. Oh, van life. All the neutrals are very cute. I'm surprised they have only dark clothes. Huh? My little kid's clothes so cute. Okay, put it back. So cute. Oh, this is cute. Little shrimp prongs. Later today, I gotta get ingredients to make pumpkin pie. And then, yeah, I also make deviled eggs. But I'm pretty good at making pumpkin pie because I use condensed Hispanic milk that's super sweet. And I use that little elf graham cracker for the pie crust. They make those and it makes my pumpkin pie taste really good. Oh. They're so little. Oh, this one's cute. For little boys.
I found her. She's just across the fitting rooms.
Okay. Across from the fitting room.
Oh, I like this one. Flannel.
I can go to the fitting rooms and fuck her.
Just need someone like a wood cutter. Oh wow, why are the tubs of Play-Doh so big? Oh, Miss Mitchell. See, she's a popular kids singer and performer, and she has her own section for all kinds of stuff. She's really taken off. that's all for today. So,